Next is Maxime. I saw you around. Django Model Admin Auto Registration. I think he will explain what it means to us. Once he's plugged up.
Hello.
You can go. It should.
Wait a moment. Okay. From begin. Okay, and the last. This works. Okay. This works not. No. Don't matter. Okay. Hello, it's me again. And I think we should talk wider how we can automate the boring stuff. For example, how we can check our emails or how we can automate our work with Django. But a little bit about me. My name is Maxim Danilov. I'm owner from WebSoft, and we solve complex tasks with Python, Django, and Vue.js. Thanks for my intern, Martin Achenreiner. They create this presentation, and thanks for our designer, Anastasia Sen. Thanks. And right now, we go to Django Model Admin. Who knows something about Django? Yeah, thanks. Yeah, not too much. Okay, let's imagine. I install at first time Django. I create my first model. For example, this is product model. And I created my first admin, model admin. And I want to start it. What happens? Fuck. I see. Sorry. I see not only my model admin. I see also something else. And if I install more libraries for Django or more batteries in Django, I receive more on this page. But I don't want it. And after that, I decide to dig deeper in Django, and I have understand we have already Django Model Admin autoregister. And I think it should be in core of Django, but we don't have it, and we can solve it in 5 lines of our code. How? It's very easy. Django registered on the admin side our model admins automatically on start. And Django use for that ready method from admin config. If we start to do something like that, after super, we take config from every app, and we ask from this config, hey, config, you know about admin in your app? Config answer us, and after that, config give us the admin PI or admin module, and after that, we ask app config, hey, app config, you know about your models? Of course, app config answer, please take models from my app. And after that, we go through every model, and we check every model admin with the same name like a model, and after model admin. And if it's not registered, we can register it on the admin side. And what we have, yeah? We have config from app registry per every app. We create admin which should register our model admin, and we register every model with this model admin. What we have right now. Before we should make some import, we should import model, we should make register, and after our auto registry, we don't need it. It happens automatically. I integrated it in 2017, 17, and after that I forgot about registry. It works automatically, perfect, and this is already automating from boring stuff. I don't know why Django don't have it in box. We can skip model register. We can remove default models in my solution, and yeah, it's all. Please, you can come to my speech for tomorrow, and I hope I have some talk on Django Con in Portugal. It's a talk about Django and about hidden possibilities in Django, which are not documented. And probably we will never document it. And yeah, and I wrote different articles in different platforms. Please follow me, or you can ask me about Django. In Russian community, probably I have a biggest knowledge about Django contrib admin. Thank you, and see you tomorrow.
Thanks a lot, Maxime, for your contribution.